Welcome to Liberia. If you jet coming, welcome to Liberia. Welcome to Liberia. I say if you just coming, welcome to Liberia. Yeah, I say welcome to Liberia. Yeah, if you just coming, welcome to Liberia. Welcome to Liberia. I say if you just coming, welcome to Liberia.
Looking pretty as usual. Today I am visiting Libasa Eco Lodge with my friend Blessing. And today is just a fun day. We're going to have fun and just be happy and be relaxed. And Libasa is a beautiful place. I've seen a lot of pictures. This is my first time visiting, and I really hope it lives up to my expectations. There she is, Blessing. Say hi to Blessing, yeah. I think one of my favorite things about Libasa, all of the times I've been seeing pictures online, is the authentic African vibes that you get from Libasa. There are a lot of activities here, but the entrance fee is 10 USD. And on the 10 USD, you get to swim, you get access to the pool, you get access to the beach, and you get access to the restaurant. So all of the other activities, I don't think we're going to do them today, and some of them are just for children. So, yeah. Guys, we're at Libasa already, and we're waiting right now. This is exciting. It really is. Even though I'm not going to swim, but Blessing is going to swim, so yeah, she's taking one for the team.
I'm swimming at my own rate.
This is exciting. There's this cute little boutique at Libasa. It's called Libasa Boutique. They sell African prints and other stuff. And this is the pool. This is the main pool. They have the other one where children are supposed to be. It's 3 feet. That was when my friend decided to swim. Yeah, she's VC like me. The beauty at Libasa lived up to the expectations, it lived up to the hype, and I am definitely looking forward to going back there. I really enjoyed the view. We couldn't go on the beach, it was closed, but I still enjoyed the view from afar.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go.
See, this is exactly what I meant by authentic African vibes. See all of their African pillows, the ceiling, all of these baskets, and then, oh my gosh, this is pretty. I just like the colors, how colorful, and it's so good. It's nice. And it's African. To me, it looks that African. And I just complete it by looking like a goddess, you know. Never mind me, y'all. The view from the restaurant is beautiful. You get a good look at the beach and you can just have fun. And this is the restaurant sign, Sunset Bar. Blessing other hamburger, I other cheeseburger. It came with fries, and this is like my first time having cheeseburger, and it tastes really good. Hey guys, so right now we're just relaxing. Techie is.
I'm filled. I don't know how to do. I want to go swim, but I'm too filled to go swim right now.
Well, you heard it from her mouth. And I don't even know how to swim, so I'm not even thinking about it. I only put my legs in the water and it's over for me. Just there.
It's amazing and peaceful. Like, I love how natural it is. They have a lot of wooden structures. They have plants, like a lot of them. Everywhere you see a plant. So that is also great. And this place is big. Also, you can get lost if you
Yes, it happened to us.
if you don't know the roads around here, you're gonna get lost. So that is one thing to watch out for if you're coming here.
Yay! So on a scale of 10, how would you rate Libasa? When it comes to beauty,
beauty. Alright, 9.5.
okay, when it comes to customer service,
Customer service. The delay of the small, so maybe 6.
you have to understand when we're taking our pictures up that the guy was minding the food for us.
Money? The guy did that for I think 2 seconds or 1 minute. And then tell no. Okay, yeah, customer service 9, but the reason why I'm saying 6, see, they have some items on the menu that are not available now.
Okay.
So I don't know why. It's not only Libasa, but I've gone to other places in Liberia, and that is the same thing. Sometimes they have items on the menu, but when you ask for those items, they are not available. So I don't know if it's a norm
Yeah,
in Liberia.
I think a way to not mislead people who are looking at the menu online is to have separate menus for every day.
day.
So
Okay.
on Mondays you post what you're going to be having on
Yes.
Monday, on Tuesdays, and it goes
Okay.
on.
If you
Just
have
do that, right?
an
It's
updated
understandable.
menu,
Just like Evelyn's restaurant, they do that every day. They tell you what they have on Monday, they tell you what they have on Tuesday, what they have on Wednesday, and just so on.
okay, that is good. And given that I'm a technology person, so yes, sir, you can have you have a system, like an updated menu system that every day, you don't even have to go through a lot of work to make that happen. But every day, you just will update the menu with the things that you have. So, because sometimes they'll say, do Mondays we have this, and that. But sometimes there are some disappointments, so to go and update that Monday menu again, it'll be hard. So, if you can just find a way to have an updated menu system that every day you try to update your menu based on what you have at a particular time. So it's not a menu that you updated months ago, and what if you change your mind today or something went wrong? At least that way every day you will have a menu to update, and then you won't mislead people, and when people come they are sure of getting what they saw on the menu. So that will be
What are you doing, my people? Hey! Alright, swim, baby. Swim. Okay, guys, so I'm leaving right now, and we're going home. So that's it. Anyways, I'm gonna do a voiceover to explain in details, but we're going home right now. So bye. It was really nice being at Libasa. Next time I visit, I am hoping to get a tour of their rooms, know their prices, so that you can have all the information whenever you're visiting Liberia and you want to lodge at Libasa. So something interesting happened to Blessing and I. Her phone got missing. Not really. She left her phone on the keke, and the guy was helping her to charge it. And then he brought the phone back to us, to Libasa, and it was really nice. I took his number and he's a trustworthy person. I really respect him for doing what he did. This is my bus stop. Thank you all so much for watching this video. I love you. Let us continue to grow together.